Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into an in-depth review of Agencyanalytics, a powerful reporting platform designed for marketing agencies. If you're wondering whether it's worth the investment, stick around as we explore its key features, pros and cons, and help you decide if it's the right tool for your agency. Agencyanalytics is an all-in-one platform that simplifies client reporting by connecting multiple data sources like Google Analytics, Facebook ads, SEO tools, and more. With a user-friendly interface and automated reporting, it's designed to save agencies time while delivering professional, branded reports to clients. Let's walk through the most important sections. Dashboard provides a high-level overview of all connected accounts, allowing you to monitor client performance in real time. SEO tools includes rank tracking, backlink monitoring, and site audits to optimize websites effectively. PPC and social analytics integrates with platforms like Google Ads, Facebook ads, Instagram, and more, helping you track ad performance effortlessly. Custom reports easily create automated reports with drag and drop widgets. You can schedule reports, add your agency's branding, and even customize the data for each client. Integrations. Agencyanalytics supports 80+ integrations, ensuring that all your data sources are consolidated into one easy-to-read report. Pros user-friendly interface. Intuitive and easy to navigate, even for beginners. Automated reports. Saves hours of manual work by automating client reporting. White label options. Perfect for agencies that want to brand reports with their own logo and colors. Wide range of integrations. Covers most major platforms, ensuring seamless data tracking. Cons: limited customization. While reports are customizable, advanced users may find some design limitations. Pricing can add up. Plans can get pricey as you add more clients or require advanced features. Learning curve for complex features. Although the interface is simple, mastering advanced features may take some time. So, is Agencyanalytics worth it? If you're managing multiple clients and need to provide detailed automated reports with ease, then absolutely. It's a huge time saver and helps maintain a professional image with branded reports. However, if you're a small agency or just getting started, the price may feel steep, so consider your budget and needs before committing. That's a wrap on our Agencyanalytics review. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more reviews and digital marketing tips. See you in the next one.